Welcome to the live bench evaluation of Microchip's PolarFire SoC Discovery Kit. This compact open-source kit features a PolarFire SoC FPGA with a quad-core, 64-bit RISC-V CPU and 95K logic elements, 1 GB DDR4, and microSD boot. It supports Linux, real-time processing, and diverse I/O, ideal for edge computing, DSP, machine vision, and secure embedded applications. The lab features the Discovery Kit, powered via USB Type-C and connected to an application stream that includes Libero SoC Design Suite for FPGA development, Soft Console for RISC-V programming, and Terra Term for serial communication. Users can program both the FPGA fabric and RISC-V cores remotely. A servo motor connected via microbus allows users to experiment with motor control through the FPGA. Additionally, a thermal camera and power measurement unit are integrated for real-time monitoring of thermal behavior and power consumption during application execution. Click Plug in to connect to the real hardware and begin evaluation. The live bench interface is divided into two main sections. Input controls, where users configure all input parameters, and the evaluation output area, which displays output tiles such as the live video feed, progress logs, and other real-time evaluation data. To access the software tools, navigate to the GUI application stream and maximize the window. To program the FPGA, launch the Libero SoC Design Suite from the application stream, then start a new project or open an existing one to begin development. Live Bench comes preloaded with existing designs for quick evaluation. In the Libero SoC Design Suite, select Open Project, navigate to the File Explorer, and choose the .prjx file to load the project. Once the file is loaded in Libero SoC Design Suite, click on the Run Program action area to begin programming the FPGA hardware. Similarly, use Microchip's Soft Console IDE to program the RISC-V cores. Launch Soft Console from the application stream, open the provided project, and build and run the application to program the target. The Power Cycle button allows users to restart the board. Monitor the power profile closely during this process to observe power consumption behavior during restart. Live Bench also includes two push-button interfaces, allowing users to provide manual inputs or trigger actions during evaluation if needed. The thermal plot window displays the real-time temperature profile across the board. Hover the mouse over any area to view the live temperature reading at that specific point. The Power Profiler graph displays the real-time current consumption of the hardware, providing insights into power usage during operation. See the hardware in action with live video, streaming the entire lab setup in real time so you never miss a detail. The Progress Log window provides real-time updates, keeping users informed about all events in chronological order. This ensures complete visibility into the evaluation process. Need extra guidance? Activate Assist Me mode for step-by-step instructions and additional insights into the evaluation process, helping you navigate every feature with ease. Need help? Use the AI-powered Knowledge Assistant to get instant answers for any question related to the lab or from the datasheets. Here is an example. Need more details? The hamburger menu gives you access to the complete user manual and additional resources. Curious about other Live Bench projects? Click the home icon to explore more exciting designs. Thank you and happy evaluation!